viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Paul Nyaroso. If it's your first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to enable notifications so that when I upload another video, you'll be notified and you'll be ready to watch. So guys, in this video today, I'm showing you on how to replace the keyboard keys. For this, I'm dealing these other keyboards. Sometimes you may find that the key press are sometimes hard, but other one is just sticking. So I'm now showing you on how to replace the keys. So let's get going. So guys, here before you go on with replacing the keyboard keys, so you must first identify which key is now their problem. Maybe if it's W. So with me here I have two keyboards. So if this keyboard now maybe this key has broken or is just sticking down, so you must disassemble the keyboard and fix it. If it's spoiled, then you have to replace it. So let me show you how you do it. So guys, this is how you remove this keyboard depending the type of a keyboard. So in mine, just press this other end here, then you replace it. If you want to take out another one, so just again press it as you remove the keys. So now you're going to replace it with another one. So if you have another keyboard or other keys that look different or the different colors and you want to replace it, so let's just turn this other part. So this is now how you see it. These are the three keys. So if you have another key, so from another keyboard, so let's say maybe this eye was faulty or broken, so just replace it with this another eye from another keyboard. So just use the same procedure to remove this other key, and then you replace it. So that's how you remove it. So replacing it, so you just make sure it's in the right position, then just place it there and you press down. So that's the simple way you can fix. So this now how you do it. You just replace it that way. Again, pick the other ones. So be sure the order of the keys, the arrangement. So you place it again, just press it down, the same to this other key, then just press it down and make sure that they are well fit in the position. So again, make sure that you fix all the keyboards, because the aim of this video is not to spoil things, but make sure that all the things are working and repair the faulty things. So guys, you've done it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Click the bell icon down below. If you have questions, comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.